I woke up today and I thought to myself, you know what I could do with today? Making a duvet dress. So I've got a Pokemon sheet here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that into a dress. So without any further ado, let's jump on into it.
For this project I'm using McCall's M8108 as the pattern. And the first step with any project is to lay out all the pattern pieces and then cut them out. And repeat with the lining fabric. My lining fabric is also another sheet, but this time a plain white one. Then we'll cut out any pieces that require interfacing. And finally transfer any notches and markings on the pattern pieces, and we're ready to start.
Alrighty, so I've gotten the bodice to this stage. The next part for me would be attaching the skirt, but before I do that, I'm going to do something that I think this pattern is missing. I'm going to add pockets to it. So as we all know, every good dress needs pockets. So let's get into that now.
I'm using Butterick B6556, which is my favourite pocket pattern. I am cutting it out of a white sheet and applying it to the side of each skirt panel. After overlocking each of the side seams, I then press each of the pockets nice and flat before I attach all the side pieces together.
So the dress is practically done. All I have to do now is put the lining in the bodice, but I'm going to do that off camera so I don't bore you with it. The next time you see this, it should be wearable. have it. That is how I made my Pokemon bedsheet dress. Now I'm super happy with the fit of this one. I can definitely see myself making more of this dress in the future. I love the addition of pockets because every dress needs pockets. It was pretty easy to put together. I honestly could have done this entirely in one day if I hadn't have got distracted by a whole bunch of other things. The only tricky part I found was trying to add the lining in after putting the sleeves in. I'll have to watch how I do that next time, just because it got a little tiny bit difficult for me. But yeah, other than that, easy peasy, would recommend for a beginner, and look at it, isn't it just adorable? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, then please hit the subscribe button down below. I try and upload every Friday, and it's usually something crafting, sewing, fun related, in that general area. Anyway, until next week, I'll see you then. Bye!